Back in the 1800s, gold rushes had people packing up their lives, heading west with picks and pans, dreaming of striking it rich. Gold was king, tangible, shiny, and a symbol of enduring value through wars, empires, and economic crashes. Fast forward to today, and we're in a digital gold rush. But why is crypto edging out gold in importance? It's not about replacing it entirely. It's about evolving with our hyper-connected world. In this digital age where everything from shopping to socializing happens online, crypto offers something gold can't: seamless integration into our everyday tech-driven lives. Think about it. Gold sits in a vault, but crypto lives in your phone. That's the hook. As our world goes fully digital, so does the way we store and move value. And if you're searching for crypto versus gold comparison or digital assets future, you're in the right place. We'll break it down step by step. No fluff, just real insights. Let's get real for a second. Imagine you're traveling across borders, maybe backpacking through Europe or moving for a job in Asia. If you've got gold bars or coins, good luck getting them through customs without headaches, fees, or theft risks. Gold is heavy, physical, and screams valuable target. Now contrast that with cryptocurrencies. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, you can carry millions in value across the globe in seconds. No borders, no baggage. This portability is a game changer in our nomadic, globalized era. Remember the stories of families fleeing economic turmoil in places like Venezuela or Argentina? Many turned to digital assets because they could access them anywhere, unlike gold, which might get confiscated or lost. But it's not just for extremes. Think remote workers getting paid internationally without bank delays. Crypto's accessibility democratizes wealth. Anyone with a basic device can participate, unlike gold, which often requires vaults, dealers, or high entry costs. In the digital age, where borderless finance and global economy trends are top searches, this makes crypto indispensable. It's like upgrading from a horse-drawn carriage to a jet, faster, easier, and way more practical. Gold's got that classic appeal as a store of value, right? It's scarce, durable, and has been trusted for millennia. But here's where crypto pulls ahead in the digital landscape: divisibility and real-world utility. You can't easily split a gold bar into tiny fractions for a coffee. It's clunky and imprecise. Crypto, on the other hand, can be divided into minuscule units. For example, the smallest parts of many digital currencies are like digital pennies, making microtransactions a breeze. This opens doors to innovations gold can't touch, like programmable money through smart contracts. Think automated payments for streaming services or decentralized apps that run without middlemen. In the digital age, where e-commerce, NFTs for art ownership, and even virtual real estate in metaverses are booming, crypto's utility shines. It's not static like gold, it's dynamic, powering everything from supply chain tracking to charitable donations that are transparent and instant. If you've ever Googled blockchain real-world applications or crypto utility explained, you'll know this versatility is why institutions are paying attention. Gold hedges against inflation, sure, but crypto builds ecosystems. It's like comparing a savings account to a full-fledged investment platform. Crypto offers more tools for the modern user.
Trust me, this part gets juicy. Gold's value relies on assays, certificates, and trusting experts to verify it's real, not fool's gold. But in our era of deepfakes, scams, and cyber threats, that old-school verification feels outdated. Enter crypto's secret weapon, blockchain technology. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, verifiable by anyone, anywhere, without needing a third party. It's like having a tamper-proof diary of every asset's history. This transparency combats fraud in ways gold struggles with. Remember those counterfeit gold scandals? Crypto's cryptographic security means your holdings are protected by math, not just locks and guards. Plus, in the digital age, where data breaches make headlines daily, features like multi-signature wallets add layers of protection that physical gold can't match. We're seeing this play out with big players adopting blockchain for everything from auditing to cross-border trades. Searches like blockchain security benefits or crypto versus traditional assets highlight this shift. Crypto isn't just secure, it's auditable in real time, fostering trust in a world that's increasingly skeptical of institutions. It's empowering, turning everyday people into their own bankers, and that's why it's gaining ground over gold's more opaque system. Wrapping this up, let's zoom out. Gold will always have its place. It's timeless, a safe haven in uncertain times. But in the digital age, crypto is stepping up as the more relevant player because it aligns with how we live, fast, connected, and innovative. From portability that suits our mobile lives to utility that powers new economies, it's addressing pain points gold can't. As we head into 2030 and beyond, with more adoption from governments exploring digital currencies and companies integrating blockchain, ignoring this shift could mean missing out on understanding the future of money. But hey, this isn't advice. Do your own research, stay informed. If you enjoyed this breakdown on why crypto matters in digital age or gold versus crypto analysis, drop a like, comment your thoughts below, like do you think gold still reigns supreme, and share with a friend who's curious about finance trends. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, where we explore more on emerging tech. Peace out.